Hello listeners, I am Hari Prasad, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government Degree College Chiriyal, Siddipet District. Today I would like to discuss in this session aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. These are the two things which I would like to discuss: aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction, with few examples and mechanisms. These two named reactions will come in carbonyl compounds. First, let's see the definition. What exactly the aldol condensation? Okay, a simple definition in terms we write like this: alpha hydrogen containing. Okay, alpha hydrogen containing. Okay, containing aldehydes or ketones in presence of base. Some people call it as alkali. Undergoes condensation to form alpha comma beta and alpha hydroxy aldehydes or ketones, okay, which upon heating forms alpha comma beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones will be generated. That we will see anyway in the example. Okay, here we go like this: aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes a reaction in presence of dilute alkali as catalyst to form. It is not B, it is beta, supposed to be beta hydroxy aldehydes called as aldols, or beta hydroxy what ketones called as ketols respectively. This is known as aldol condensation. The most important part here, so we have to remember alpha hydrogen containing, okay, in presence of dilute alkali undergoes condensation to form aldols or ketols depending on the starting material, okay, substrate, or some people call it as reactants. See the example here. So here 2 moles of see this one, 2 moles of acetaldehyde, so called ethanol in presence of dilute alkali forming beta hydroxy, also called as 3-hydroxybutanol, and which on heating giving 2-butene 1-al. Okay, it is what alpha beta unsaturated hydrocarbon. So we write this one as beta hydroxyaldehyde, and it is alpha comma beta unsaturated aldehyde, in this case aldehyde. Next in next example we'll see ketone, okay, ethanol, also called as acetaldehyde. See, let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so generally we see the mechanism step by step. So here the case, first we will see in step manner, and later we will see directly without in single step we will do. Okay, first step 1, alkali NaOH generates Na plus and OH minus, okay, plus OH minus. Okay, step 2, in step 2 that okay, NaOH minus, okay, CH2, so CHO OH minus, it takes one of the hydrogen from here, so supposed to be CH3CHO, so it takes this one and go with that one,